Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a small Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I typically do Dollar Tree related videos. Please check me out and subscribe below. So the first item I will share is this Give Thanks bucket. I'm really liking these buckets that they have in their Thanksgiving theme. Was so tempted to really buy one of each, but do I need all of those buckets? No. So I just bought one that we'll have in our kitchen shelf decor. Sometimes I like to have little water bottles to take with us, especially if I'm packing a lot of stuff and I just want to take a little bit of water with us for a little outing. These are great for that. We are having one little hurrah vacation before school starts, so I thought we would try these Weiler's Authentic Italian Ice things, and also the Graham snacks in the Frozen 2 theme. This is a cell phone holder for your bike, or that you could put on a shopping cart or a stroller. I have tried this on our exercise bike and I have to say it's awesome. And what it is there's a strap that goes through here and comes out the top. The only thing I wonder though is if this would fit larger phones. I have the iPhone mini and it works great with that, even with my pop socket at the back and the phone case. And just so you know, this only is in portrait mode. You can't flip this so that you view it like this. But if you want to have your cell phone readily available, I think this is a great thing to have. Finally, I decided to pick these up. I've been kind of eyeing them for a few months now. The Red Lobster seafood seasoning, the signature version, and then the Badia complete seasoning. For the quick lunch, should I need one, the Campbell's Kitchen Classics loaded potato soup. My favorite clips to use in the kitchen are these multi-purpose clips. They are usually at the front at the register. I've bought so many different kinds of clips from the Dollar Tree. It seems like most of the plastic ones, with the exception of the big clothespins ones, they have all broken on me. So really like these because they're metal. They are pretty hard to break. In the medication and makeup aisle, I got 2 items. This one is the extra strength headache relief. This is a dupe for Excedrin. I have tried Excedrin dupes from the Dollar Tree before that did work well for me, but I have not tried this brand. They still had a bunch of the Wet n Wild highlighting palettes, but I decided to leave those for somebody who's really looking for them. Just bought the Lash Renegade mascara. This is in the amethyst color. For my daughter, a few items. I mentioned in the last video that I really have liked their educational posters for a long time. They also have really great workbooks and flashcards, that kind of thing. This one is the math symbols and multiplication and division tables. My daughter loved these sticker puzzles that I showed recently in a haul that had the unicorns. Decided to pick up one more. This one is obviously in the dragon version. They also had pirates and a farm animals version. I mentioned before, this is really good for neurological development, all the left to right and right to left. And one thing that I really appreciated was these stickers are pretty durable for the task at hand. Sometimes we wanted to reposition the stickers so that they were right on the line, and we kind of had to pick them up and take them off and pick them up. They did not rip. I was really quite impressed. And these books, I remember buying this specific book years back, like when she was like 3 years old. But back then we were just kind of using them as just fun stickers and pretty pictures to look at. Now she can look at them in a different context because they were studying a lot of habitats last year and things about the environment and life cycles. In the school supplies section, sometimes they have notebooks that are of name brand. This one is the Crown Jewels, and it's just this thin, skinny notebook. To be honest, the thing that first drew me to this was the color. I love this beautiful purple with the gold on the lettering. And I have a few little projects in the fall coming up, so I thought this would be a perfect notebook for that. I like to save rubber bands from our produce, but believe it or not, we still run out. I don't know how. So I bought the 50 pack of the rubber bands in multiple colors. And then lastly, in the school supplies section, I bought another set of these report covers. My favorite snack from the Dollar Tree as of late has been these mini bars with pumpkin seeds and nuts. They've had different flavors of these in the past, but these are so great if you kind of like the texture of peanut brittle. They are these little individually wrapped clusters of seeds and nuts. I like that they're individually wrapped so they don't all stick to each other. If you have sensitive teeth though, these might not be for you. These are very, very similar to like a peanut brittle would be. Dollar Tree has been on top of their game with the granola. I really, really liked those smaller packages of granola that I just hauled. We've been putting them in yogurt, and we'll be doing the same with this Nature Valley coconut and almond granola. I'm kind of regretting not buying more, and it looks like they're best by October of this year. And lastly, I bought one of the vacuum storage bags in a recent haul, wondering if these still work well. This is an old school product from the Dollar Tree. I recently tried these with a queen size duvet that is super, super fluffy. It's so fluffy that it's actually kind of heavy because it's so full of stuffing. And I really, with this opening, had to stuff it in this bag. I was so afraid that the bag would tear and it would explode from all that pressure that I was putting inside there. But nope, I zipped it up and applied the suction with my regular vacuum that I use all the time, and it was fantastic. Now I have to admit, I could have probably let the suction go on longer so that the end result was a lot smaller, but I got scared. I was stout, I got scared, I thought it might tear, and I was perfectly happy with the size that it came down to and where I left it. Thought though that they had several sizes. I only saw them in the large, so I can't remember if there was an extra large version or medium. I don't know. Please comment below if you know. Anyway, so that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know what goodies you've been finding, and if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.